and prove me wrong. Turn around, be gone. Turn around now, baby. You think you're special? I can be the one if that is what I.
Good morning, everyone. It is Candy here with Crazy It's Life, and I have an unboxing for you today. It is the Paradise Delivered box. This is my third box. So let's see what is inside this box this month. First, there is this postcard. It says, win your next box. Post a photo of your box on Instagram or Facebook and tag at Paradise Delivered, and we pick a winner each month. And then on the back, we'll have the list of the items and the prices, and I will go through those as I'm going through the box. All right, so the first thing that we have is a headband. It says Bands of Hope, and I will read a little bit. I'll take it out, but I'll also read a little bit about this company and this brand. So, I don't really wear headbands too much, but my daughters do. And we'll see. This is cute. Has an elastic strap to go behind your head. And let's see. It says, Twist Turban. This chic, stylish headband is both soft and comfortable and contains an elastic strap on the back to ensure a secure fit every time. Best of all, for every headband sold, including yours, a headband is donated to a child with an illness. So that makes it even better. Anyways, it's super cute. I will try it. I don't know if I'll wear it or not, but we will definitely get use out of it in this house. So I love that. Love things that I know will get used. All right, so the next item is, what is this? Sea Minerals Rejuvenating Body Butter. Ooh, that looks nice. I don't know if you can see that. It says relax, I think. Actually, it doesn't say relax. Oh, it does. Oh, it has this little curvy words and I couldn't read it. This is Mana Kadar Beauty Sea Minerals Renewing Body Butter. Treat yourself to a spa-like experience with this luxe product containing dead sea minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium that creates a layer of moisture for the driest of skin, leaving your skin soft and silky smooth. I'm gonna see if it's sealed in here. It is, so I can't smell it. I'm not gonna open it right now because I wanna make sure that I'm going to use it first. I don't know if I said the prices. So the price of the headband, $18, and the Mana Kadar Beauty Sea Minerals Body Butter, $24 is what it retails for. Next thing, oh, this is a neat bottle. I wish I could talk. Neo Bay Natural and Organic Toner Facial. Equilibria Facial Mist Toner. It's a large bottle. It says this retails for $26. This gentle, refreshing toner containing aloe vera, chamomile extract, and other natural ingredients will provide a feeling of freshness and purity throughout the day while cleansing and moisturizing. Suitable for use on the face, eye, contour, and neck. Next item is lip syrup. Lip syrup. High Shine Pigmented Lip Stain. Ooh, that's bright. I do not know if I will use that color. I'm afraid to even open it. Probably should just gift it. At the same time, I kind of want to try it, so we'll see. So, Trifle Cosmetics Lip Syrup. Again, super bright. An ultra-rich, long-lasting, glossy lip stain made with sweet, pearl-coated pigments that cover your pout in an enticing luster, infused with a scrumptious blend of sugar maple and vanilla bean extracts to help hydrate and mend dry, chapped lips. And it sounds amazing. I wish it was in a different color. We'll see. Next, we have Spongel Salted Rose Mani-Pedi Treatment Set. So, the perfect treat for your dry hands and feet, infused with skin softening formulation and soothing extracts of peppermint and sea kelp. These dual-sided buffers will leave your hands and feet silky smooth. Dermatologist tested, vegan, cruelty-free, and travel-friendly. So, wet sponge to release rich lather. Use soft side to cleanse, buffer side to exfoliate. After use, simply squeeze the excess water from the buffer. There's those. I definitely will use those and try them out. All right, the next item, let's pull out of here, is Violet Harper Silver Pave Loop Castaway Necklace. I was not expecting a necklace in here. It's in a box. So let's open it up. All right, I don't know what the necklace looks like yet, but look at this cute little bottle. And it was called Castaway Necklace. So that's super cute. I love getting the jewelry in these boxes. So here is the little bag that it's in. I'm going to show you this necklace. It's silver and it is a bit tangled, but we'll get that out. But look at this. This is cute. You can see. I think it's cute. I've liked all my jewelry that I've gotten from Paradise Delivered. And it's fun to get a variety of items, I think. So anyways, that's super cute. So let me go ahead and read about it real quick. It says your message in a bottle is here, and it's love yourself with this striking, sophisticated necklace, perfect for everyday wear and layering. The necklace features a 16-inch chain and 4-inch extender, and they always send extenders in the Paradise Delivered, which is really nice too. There's also a coupon in here for 30% off code to Violet Harper. All right, the next thing that we have is this Goddess Refreshing Face Mist. I don't know if you can see that. And it is Luxe Bath and Body Collection, and it says soothe and refresh tired skin with this hydrating mist designed to wake up and moisturize your skin. Mist can be applied prior to makeup application as a hydrating base or on top of makeup, and it retails for $24. And these facial mists is another thing I love in the middle of the day when you're just kind of dragging. I love spraying them on, and it's just cool and refreshing. Gives you a little bit of energy. So again, definitely using that. And it looks like we have a book, Chasing the Bright Side. And then I think this is the last item. So it's by Jess Eggstrom, founder of Headbands of Hope, Chasing the Bright Side. Embrace optimism, activate your purpose, and write your own story. And it says, it inspires readers to embrace optimism in your life and reimagine your purpose to create good in the world right where you are. So that should be an interesting read, something to read by the pool this summer. And it says that this box is a retail value of $208. I do think I paid $39.99 for this box, but I will put the correct price in this video. And there will also be a link down below in the description if you guys want to try out Paradise Delivered for yourself, and you will get a discount off your first box. And that's all. That's all that I have today for you guys, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you next time. Bye.